I'm going to be making some great tasting gravy the old time way. I'm going to take 1 tablespoonful, or 1 big spoonful of Crisco, put it in that pot. Now this is the kind of gravy your mama, your grandma, and all the folks you grew up with made. I know my mama had a 5-gallon pail, 10-pail hog guards at her old wood stove. We'll let it keep on till it melts down. Then we're going to put a little flour in there. Then we're going to start adding some milk in there. And it's going pretty good right now. It's going to be just a little bit more and it's going to be completely melted. Just about ready to start adding flour. Let it completely melt. A little bit on the edge of the spoon. Alright, what I'm going to do, get a cup of flour here. I'm going to start adding a little bit of flour. I'm going to start stirring it around a little bit. And I'm going to change spoons here and get me one of those good wire stirrers here. Now I want it to start browning down a little bit. After it starts browning down some, then we'll get some of that whole milk and put in here. And we're not going to use that old 2% stuff because it's just not going to taste as good. That looks pretty brown right there. Put a little shot of milk in there. Stir it. Now I'm going to put some more in here right quick. I let it get a little bit thick on it just then, which it shouldn't have. And that's a pretty good shot there, isn't it? A bit more. You'll just have to kind of gauge your own milk. And then I'm going to take a little more flour and put in there. I've got about a half a cup of flour in there. That amount of milk that I got. I'm going to keep on stirring it until it kind of gets thick. I'm going to take some of that salt and put in there. Take a little black pepper and put in there. You got the light on low, but we got to start getting there any minute. Just keep on stirring till it gets just a little bit thicker. I'm beginning to feel it on the whisk just a little bit. That's getting pretty thick. Yeah, that's getting thick right there. I got pretty thick on it. And that's the way you do it. It's good old country gravy. You can catch this video and how to do it, recipe and all, at KELLYKellyCharlie.com. And at the bottom of the recipe, there'll be a link to the video there. So y'all be good. Be nice out there. I'll see you later with some more videos.